Hey guys, Dr. Mike with Physio Orthopedics and Performance. Today I want to talk to you about something called lateral epicondylitis, pain on the outside of the elbow. The first exercise you're going to do is called compression floss. The best thing you can do is start within your hand like this, bring it up to about mid-forearm, do a tight loop here. You're going to go from tight to less tight. From there you go through an active range of motion. Bring it all the way into flexion at the wrist and elbow, all the way into an extension. The next exercise is a self-release technique. What you do is you find that spot that feels tender to you with the lacrosse ball. You're going to pin that lacrosse ball on it, and then you're going to go through active wrist flexion and extension. The last exercise is a wrist eccentric. So grabbing a stable surface and a 5 to 10 pound weight, holding it with the palm down. Starting here, you're going to take your other hand and help lift it up, and then slowly lower it down. It should take about 5 seconds for you to get to end range. Give these exercises a try. You can also schedule an appointment at PhysioOrthoPerform.com, where we'll do techniques such as trigger point dry needling, cupping, and soft tissue mobilization. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good day.